This is a universal remote control, and you can use this for almost any kind of an opener. And the way you program it is you take the cover off, and there's a button here. You push the blue button. When the blue button comes on, then you see what kind of opener you have. We have a Genie screwdriver. This has a code of 6 pushes. So I push it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I push the other side. And then I link this to the machine again. And the way we do that is by pushing the programming button. The programming button is right here. And the light comes on and it blinks. If you hold the button down for like 6 seconds and the light goes out, you erase everything. So don't do that. So you see the light blinking? And then I'm going to push this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And this is working now. That's it.